Hey guys, so right now we have both levers activated. I know earlier we kind of talked about, running the boat in a single lever versus dual lever. Right now is a perfect situation on where you would want to be in two lever. So we're in this tight canal, kind of pulling up to the boat ramp. And basically the dual lever just allows you to kind of manipulate the boat and kind of spin it on a dime. You can split the sticks and move it left or right. And it just really helps in those tight areas. So I would definitely recommend pulling up to the dock, leaving the dock, coming through tight canals to be in dual lever.